This is Baramura Nature Park, located on National Highway connecting Agartala and Assam. It crosses through the Baramura Hill Range and it is about 37 km from Agartala. The area is surrounded by green forest. It has a panoramic environment and it is an ideal destination for eco-lovers. Kalapania Nature Park. It is about 110 km from Agartala. There are picnic spots and there is a lake in the center of the park. The park is surrounded by lush green hill mountains and it is really fantastic. One can spend a quality time in the park and especially during the winters. At around 48 km away from Agartala, Tepania Nature Park is located on the way from Agartala to Udaipur. One can enjoy lush green and natural beauty. So far accommodations are concerned, there are two types of facilities. One is provided by the forest department and another by the tourism department. There are tree houses and cottages available in the park. And also there are several picnic spots inside. It is a charming place and one can enjoy the whole day in Tepania Nature Park.